Hello, happy children. Welcome to my class, Sarah, my class. Previous class I have taught you about the trigonometry, what is trigonometry and how to find the opposite side and adjacent side of an triangle. So today I am going to teach you how to find the other part of ratios of trigonometry. So I am drawing a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, so let it be A, B and C. This is what? 90 degree, and opposite to B is, I'll draw the triangle properly. Okay. So I'll draw the triangle. Right triangle you have to draw. That is I'm naming as A, B and C. This is 90 degree. Okay. So opposite, this is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. Okay. And if I am taking this angle as theta. Okay. So opposite to angle C, theta, that is the side AB, that is called as the opposite side. And next, opposite to next side is BC, that is called as adjacent side. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. Now we are going to name as this as sine theta. Okay. Now sine theta. Sine theta is equal to, this is the thing you have to remember, the formula of sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, this is the formula as I have taught you in the previous class. Okay, so next, opposite side. Theta, opposite side is AB. So you have to write AB and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So sine theta, first ratio in trigonometry, sine theta. Sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. So in this triangle, ABCD is 90 degree. So taken as theta, and opposite to 90 degree is the longest side, that is the hypotenuse, and I have taken C as theta, and opposite to theta is side AB, that is side AB is called as opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. So the thing you have to remember, sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. The second ratio. Second ratio is cos theta. This formula, cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay. So what is adjacent side in this triangle? Adjacent side is BC. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So now in this triangle, first I have taken sine theta, second is the cos theta. Cos theta, in this cos theta formula is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and in this adjacent side is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now next is tan theta. Okay. Tan theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. So which is opposite side? Opposite side is AC again. Okay. Opposite side is AB. And which is hypotenuse? Tan theta is not hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is what? AB. And adjacent side is BC. Okay. So I have taught you three ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Cos theta, sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon BC. Cos theta is opposite adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC. Hope so you have understood what I have taught you, the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. I am going to continue in the next class. Hope so you like my this, remember it properly and learn it yourself. So hope so you are getting whatever I am teaching you. Any doubts you can comment me on my comment box, and stay blessed. Thank you so much.